Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.